Hi, fellow traders. What's happening? I hope you guys had a great weekend and that you're off to a good start this week. I know it's been pretty choppy, but if you've been able to adjust to the market conditions, not make wholesale changes, but make these little tweaks that allow you to take what the market gives you, I know you're doing the right thing. This week kind of started out funny with the Amazon split. I'm just perplexed at why we're not getting anything out of it. It is surprising me, but you never know. You never know. I could wake up tomorrow and it's gapped up $200. Who knows? But I'm just perplexed that it's not really moving and it's kind of stuck in this channel and not really doing anything. But speaking of channels, we have the market. Let's take a look at the market first here. We have the market here stuck in the channel. This is what, about 8 days of stuck between 406.93 and 418.60. We've just been stuck in this rut. And until we get out of this, I don't see any really big moves, even on stocks with solid catalysts. Now, we're in the earnings lull right now. We're in the summertime trading, so things are going to be really, really slow. Even this afternoon, I don't even have a stock that meets my earnings criteria. So I won't be trading earnings today. But it's going to be that way. We're going to have to be more selective of the stocks that we trade and try to take advantage of the volatility in the first 30 minutes of the market, make our money then, and then just kind of sit back, relax, and wait and see if the market's going to bring us another trade. And that's basically what we do. But for now, I'm not betting one way or the other. You can see we had a big green candle, 2 reds, big green, 2 reds, big green. Maybe we'll get 2 red candles before we get a breakout on Friday or a breakdown on Friday. If I was going to bet or gamble, I would bet on having a red candle tomorrow. But other than that, I'm going to sit back and wait. And whichever direction this breaks, we're going to trade accordingly. But as long as we're still in this channel, I believe we're going to keep trading sideways. And some of these stocks that we trade are going to have a hard time, making any breakout moves. So that's my take on the market. We'll look at the trades we took today on Facebook. This is the type trading I like. I love just trading one stock all day. I can get the pulse of it. I can get the feel. I'll be able to trade it both ways. That's an ideal scenario for me. Now, will every trade work? No, every trade will not work. I can get the perfect setup like I did here on the breakout. The linear regression channel at that time was under this level here. So we confirmed breaking out. We did move up, but just not far enough for me. A scalper would have been all over this, but I was looking for about 50 more cents. It didn't happen. It pulled back, ended up stopping me out when we confirmed losing this daily pivot here at the top of the channel. And I waited and caught another trade here. I was actually in a one-on-one session with another trader, and I was showing him how we would scalp in between these levels. Now, this is a reversal attempt. I should have gotten it. If I was going to get in it, I should have gotten in it a lot earlier. Here, I shorted. We're in the kill zone for me, but I was showing how we could get in and just take the moves between each of these levels. And that's kind of where this trade came from. But it turned out to be probably one of the better, or next to the best trade that I've taken today on Facebook. Got a nice move to the long side. Well, two moves really, and a nice move here down. And then this one was okay. We did have to withstand some pain, but we never did claim the 20 or the 50 day, or 50 period moving averages. We ended up selling back off and just being patient and getting on the first target and second target. We had to bail out before we got there, but this is fine. This is a really solid day. Really solid day when the market's been kind of chopping around. So I have to claim victory today, and we'll come back tomorrow and see if it can give us anything else. But everything has just been textbook today. Textbook 5-minute opening range trade, textbook trend continuation. Tried to continue here, ended up not getting to my target and bailing out and turning around, catching a reversal and trading in between these levels here. That's just as good as I think we can get when it comes to trading like this today. So, that wraps it up. This was a really good fast day. The only message I have today is, listen, if the trade sets up, take it. That's all I can say. If the trade sets up, take it. If you sit here and try to pick and choose the ones that you think are going to work and the ones that you think will fail, you are killing your edge. And, God help you if you think you're going to make some money. So, let's go into Thursday and Friday. Let's see if we can, finish this week strong. So you guys be safe, and I'll see you in the jungle in the morning.